Welcome to the newest chapter in our long 77-plus year history. Today, we're proud to unveil our new state-of-the-art Kennesaw facility north of Atlanta, Georgia. Our newest hub of innovation and efficiency is equipped with the latest liquid injection molding technology. Designed to meet the growing demands of the medical, automotive, and specialty industries, this facility has scalable high-volume micro-molding production, automated cells that produce and package in line, and increased production efficiency, which leads to lower costs and higher quality. Our expert engineers and technicians dedicate every moment to maintaining unparalleled quality and precision. They are at the ready to take on customer challenges, helping them bring projects to life from concept to launch. Vernay's Kennesaw site now produces over 200 million micro-molded devices yearly, with the capability to ramp up to 1 billion annually. Our Kennesaw facility expands our capabilities to deliver the results you rely on. Together with our partners, we're shaping a world where precision and fluid control creates endless possibilities. Join us in redefining fluid control solutions. Visit Vernay.com.